Assalamu alaikum. My students of class 8. I am over here in front of you. I am Sir Zishan teaching you algebra. This is my lecture number 14. All of you dear students, pay your attention towards the board and also open your books, mathematics books, page number 74. Listen, if you will not open your books, you cannot understand the question. Class 8 Algebra, Lecture 14, page number 74 of your mathematics book. Exercise 5.1. Question number 6. All my dear students, as you know that we have completed 5 questions. Done. Finished. And now today question number 6, and the topic is multiplication of algebraic expressions. This is the topic. So have a look. Question number 1. 10m power 2 and power 3 multiply by 5m and power 2. Solution. Concentrate upon the board. M power 2 and 3. I wrote it over here. Multiply by 5m and power 2. I wrote it over here. This is a sign of multiplication. Multiply. 5 tens are 50. M multiply by m2. As you know that we have m power 1 over here, but we do not write. Understand what I am saying? This is m power 1, but we do not write power 1. When we multiply, the powers will be added. So 5 tens are 50, m power 1 multiplied by m power 2. It will be m power 2 plus 1. As I told you that when we multiply, the powers will be added. So it will be m2 plus 1. Now multiply n power 2 and power 3. So it will be n power 3 plus 2. Answer will be 50 and power 3 and power 5. That's your answer. Do you understand what I am saying? Concentrate upon this thing over here. Now let me start part number 2 of question number 6. The question is that 25x power 5 y power 2 multiply by minus 4x power 3 y power 2. Solution. Write this thing over here and this thing over here. Sign of multiplication. Multiply by minus and this is plus over here, so the answer will be in minus. 25 fours are 100 minus. Why minus? Because when we multiply plus into minus, this is plus. But we do not write plus. That's why it will be 25 x5 by 2. Understood? Plus. Multiply by minus 4x3 by 2. Start multiplication. 25 fours are 100 plus into minus is equal to minus x. When we multiply, power will be added. 5 plus 3. So it will be x 5 plus 3. Y power 2 into y power 2. It will be y 2 plus 2. So answer will be 100 x power 8 y power 4. Answer. Do you understand? How did I do it? Remember this thing. When we multiply, the powers will be added. You will have to remember this thing. And when minus will be multiplied by plus, answer will be in minus. Question part 3. Minus 2 a4 b5 c6 by 5 a2b whole square. Look at the board carefully what I am saying. 5 a2b whole square. Do you understand? What does it mean by whole square? It means you will have to multiply 5a2b by itself. It will be whole square. You know it very well. For example, 5 whole square is equal to 5 into 5, that means 25. Now over here 5a2b whole square. 5a2b whole square means 5a2b multiplied by itself, that is 5a2b. Answer will be 5 5 the 25. a2 into a2 will be a4, b into b will be b2. So the answer of this portion will be 25 a4 b2. Now see this thing. 25 a4 b2 multiply by minus 2 a4 b5 c6. As I told you, minus into plus. This is plus. but we do not write plus in the beginning. So 25 multiplied by minus 2 plus into minus will be minus 25 to the 50. A4 into A4 will be A power 4 plus 4. B5 into B2, it will be B2 plus 5. C 6. Now answer 50, A power 8, B power 7, C power 6. Answer. Understand? I hope you understand. My lovely student, it's a video class. You see, you cannot ask the questions over here at the moment when I am teaching you. You are sitting at your home, so what you will have to do? Anything which you do not understand, don't hesitate to ask me if you do not understand. And the way is that you will have to write in comments, write your comments, or if you have time and you can come easily over here, you will find me in the school area from 8 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. My students, I am ready to help you, whatever I can do for you. Understand? Now, next question. Question number 7. Find the product. Product means answer of multiplication. That's called product. So first of all, have a look at the board and try to understand the question. Minus A into 2B into 3C. Open page number 75 of your book. Solution. First of all, multiply minus A with 2B. Answer will be minus, because minus into plus will be minus. It will be minus 2AB. Understand this thing? Now, minus 2AB into 3C. The answer will be minus 2 3 are 6. A, B, C. Answer. Very easy. Understand? So, next part. Have a look. Part number 2. Minus 2A into minus 5B into 4C. First of all, multiply minus 2A into minus 5B. When you multiply minus into minus, it will be plus. Understand what I am saying? Let me do it over here. You see, minus 2A into minus 5B. But in the beginning we do not write plus sign. So it will be simply tan AB into 4C. 4 times 40. A, B, answer 40 ABC. 40 ABC. Now, I hope you understand these all the things. So, homework. Part 3 and 4. You have to do by yourself homework part 3 and 4. All right? Understand? Now, I am coming on the next question. Question number 8, part number 1. 3x plus 5y into 2xy cube. That's whole cube. It means, first of all, you will have to find what does it mean, cube. Let me tell you how you will do it. You see, first of all, 2xy into 2xy, it will be a square. Now, multiply it by one more time from 2xy. X cube, y cube. So, 2xy whole cube is equal to 8x3 y3. Answer is over here. Now you will have to multiply 3x plus 5y with 8x 3y3. Okay, this thing over here. Understand what I am saying? Multiply now. Right, 3x plus y. Write this thing over here. 8x 3y3. Start multiplication. 8 3s are 24. X power 1 plus x power 3. Why? When we multiply, powers will be added. Y power 3 plus 8 5s are 8 5s are 40. X power 3 y power 3 plus power 1. This is power 1, but we do not write it. So, it will be, see, y 3 plus 1. Now the answer, 24 x power 4 y 3 plus 40 x 3 y power 4. That's your answer. Question number 8, part 2. This is all the questions in your book. I am saying again, take your full interest, open your book, whatever the page number I told you, open that page, read the question, not only one time, read the questions 2 times, 3 times, unless you understand it. Question. Part 2. 5x minus 6y into minus 3xy whole square. I hope you can do it by yourself. First of all, calculate this thing. Minus 3xy whole square is equal to, multiply this thing by itself. Multiplication of minus into minus will be plus. Three threes are 9, x power 2, y power 2. We do not write the plus sign if it is in the very beginning. So, the situation is over here, 5x minus 6y multiplied by 9x power 2, y power 2. Have a look. 9 5s are 45, x power 1 plus 2. This is power 1. But as I told you, we do not write power 1. So, it is understood. X 1 plus 2, y power 2 minus, because this is plus. Understand what I told you? This is plus, this is minus. The multiplication of plus into minus will be minus. 9 6 are 44. X power 2, y power 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2. That's 3. Answer will be 45 x power 3 y2 minus 54 x power 2 y3. Answer. I advise you to match the answers from the answer portion of your book and let me know if any question you find that the answer is not matching. Don't wait, let me know. Okay, my students, I hope you understand multiplication of algebraic expressions. Practice, practice and practice. Why? Because practice makes the man perfect. You will have to do these questions again, again and again unless you learn it. I am your teacher, Sir Zishan.